So I just got to Charing Cross, Pall Mall, to the Mall Galleries. Let's get going. It's my lovely companions for the day. It's Ali on the left, Carol on the right. Arrived at the Mall Galleries. We had a lovely warm welcome from Addy, the head of sales and marketing, letting us know about the events that were going on in the gallery that day. I purchased one of the lovely Mall Gallery brochures and I'm just now starting my browse around this amazing exhibition, which has pure watercolour, mixed media, gouache and acrylics. These are gorgeous. Love that. I think there's a little bit of wax on there, a bit of underpaint, maybe a bit of oil pastel as well. I can see some spattering, spritzing, and that's acrylic ink and oil pastels. Isn't that interesting? Don,
actually. I like it.
Love it. That's amazing.
Quite
that would be lovely if there's a centrepiece. Yeah, I like it. I've got that written in the centre. This is one of my favourite artists. Do you know what? Love her work. So that's gorgeous. I think there's a bit of masking fluid used there, maybe.
You reckon?
Yeah.
It's very clever, that light,
yeah.
Isn't it?
Feeding time. These are pretty much the stars of the show. Geoffrey Wynne. Amazing. So we're getting closer here. Look at the beautiful colours on that building.
And a very good price.
Actually, that's a really good price. Look at that. Mykonos. I love that up there. I love the colours on the buildings. Beautiful. Yeah. The Michael Harding Award. Now these are really interesting. Quite monotone. And just to show you, watercolour and gold leaf. It's amazing textures there. Yeah, with lots of granulation there.
Control to get that controlled granulation.
Absolutely. This is Ian Sidaway. There's a lot of detail in there, isn't there? Harmonious colours. These are lovely. Look at that. That is gorgeous. There's lots of smattering there. Look at that.
I love that.
I can see why that would win a prize. The colours are
coming down.
It's gorgeous, isn't it? That beautiful sky. He creates some beautiful atmospheric paintings. A lot of control with the wet in wet there. I love that. That is gorgeous, isn't it? That is absolutely stunning. Really is. Beautifully framed as well.
I think that would have sold you.
I know. Are you thinking of buying one? Definitely cling film.
Oh yeah, there is there.
Yeah. And masking. The North Gallery. Let's go inside here. Let's have a look. Oh, that's lovely, isn't it? The colours. Beautiful. I like that as well. That's lovely, isn't it? I love this. There's a bit of clean film going on here. Chris. Love that. I just love this wonderful watercolour. I'm giving you a close-up here to all the lovely brush marks as well. It's truly stunning with all the wonderful textures and harmonious colours. That's stunning. That has got the Michael Morgan style.
Do you know why I love it? Because it's square as well.
Yeah, I love a square.
Favourite square.
That texture.
Oh, it's sold.
Yeah, I'm not surprised. It says Anne Dangerfield. Love the name as well. You can really get inspired at exhibitions. I love this sort, almost like a study. It's quite abstract, but you can see it's lots of foliage, different techniques and textures. You could just get lost in this painting. This prize-winning portrait was stunning with all the beautiful layering.
Like these dry brush bits at the end.
Yeah, so much freedom. What I loved about this exhibition was the great talent on show and the different styles. I was so inspired, I couldn't wait to get my brushes out.
Large watercolour sketch, isn't it? You can see all the layers on the top there.
Oh, you can, yeah. I love this. Wetting wet, tilting, swiping, blobbing. Let's have a look.
That lovely back run.
Oh yeah, so you should never be afraid of back runs. You can end up in the male galleries.
Could be a happy accident.
It could be. Suzanne
The light on that is beautiful.
shadows on the snow. Colours, the colours they've used for the shadows as well. You've got that warm against the cool colours. Stunning. And as I worked my way round, I fell in love with this piece here with the different abstract sort of shapes, wonderful, wonderful textures. Just loved it, so inspiring. This lovely sort of line and wash here, so very sort of minimalist colours as well. There weren't many floral paintings, but I absolutely love this study of tulips here.
It's a when's review.
Karen in action.
The packet. That's this paper. So really, I'm not stretching it at all here, just working straight from it. There's a medium way. Which colours? I want to do much prep.
Gum Arabic here, is that?
That is Rose Madder.
Rose.
This
Oh my
is Gum
gosh!
Arabic.
Oh wow!
Gum Arabic.
Yeah, Rose Madder. That's what Rose Madder looks like.
It's amazing, and this is what it's like when it's seeped, and that's when it's ground as
Oh wow! Is that cobalt or is that ultramarine or?
Yes, so this is
Goodness.
ultramarine, this is the original pigment, and that is the synthetic equivalent.
Oh, that's amazing. It's the colour I use the most.
Is it?
Yes.
It's probably one of the first and most fantastic
Yes.
synthetic pigments that
Yeah.
was really widespread.
Is that a yellow ochre?
It is.
Yeah, it looks like yellow ochre.
Some colours actually look very much
What they look like. Whereas that Rose Madder, there's me saying, is that Gum Arabic?
No, well,
Not
no,
a clue.
it's understandable.
How much would that have cost someone in that time, or the equivalent to what it would be now? Probably
Oh golly, it would have been huge.
a fortune. Yeah.
So this is the Murex sea snail, and this beautiful colour, Tyrian rose, came from the bronchial tube of the sea snail.
Goodness. Thank you. So sorry about the building work in the background, getting ready for the coronation. So I really hope you enjoy this visit to the Mall Galleries to view all these wonderful paintings. I'd just like to thank the Mall Galleries as well for allowing me to film there. Really appreciate that. And if you get a chance to visit this exhibition, I really would encourage you to come if you're sort of near the London area. If not, I know a lot of you are overseas, you can go online to the Mall Galleries and actually check out the paintings there, and I will put a link for that in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. Happy painting.